Welcome back to another video. If you're lucky like I am and you've got a Garmin compatible device and electric shifting, it can be quite useful to see on your watch or your head unit which gear you're in and the state of your battery. It can also stop you running out of battery and getting in a bit of a pickle halfway down the trail. So this is really easy to do. You can do it on all compatible Garmin devices, and you can do it with your, this is a Fenix 7X. I believe it works for the 6, 7, 8, and if you're watching this in the future, the 9. And it will also work with Shimano gearing, but I'm just going to show you how to do it with the SRAM GX wireless shifting series. All you need to do is start looking for sensors on your watch and then start looking for pairing with your derailleur. Okay, all you need to do is hold down your left button to go to your menu, look for sensors and accessories. Select sensors and accessories and then add new, and you should have the option to do gearing. Or shifting, my apologies. Select shifting. It's searching for the sensors. I'm just going to turn on, obviously the battery's in, turn on the rear derailleur, starts flashing. And now it's found a gearing sensor to add. Can you see it? It's found the gearing sensor to add. I'm going to select that. It's connecting to the shifting. Use an open connection. That's fine. Shifting paired. That's all there is to it, and it's now connected. Tells you your gear ratios: front gear 39, 39, rear gear. Oops. Tells you about the derailleur and the right shifter as well, so you can see. Oops, maybe I shouldn't show all that business. So you can see that the battery's new, which means it's fully charged. It could say good, and then it's got another few states, goes down to terrible, but new means basically it's fully charged. Right shifter also got that in there. So it pairs the two, and then what you need to do next is add a data screen. So select the activity, which is mountain bike in my case, then hold down the left button, the menu, and select settings, and then data screens, and then click this button up here, which is the edit button, and then you want to put in data fields. And I'm going to take the timer out, and then I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to choose gears, select gears. It'll tell me what gear I'm in, front, rear, that's what I want. I could also go in there maybe and change to gears again. And then I can put a battery status in there as well if I want. Gear battery, gear ratio, I'll just go for gear battery. New again means fully charged. And then there's your data field sorted. So we can just double check that. Start a new activity, start mountain bike, start the activity, see if the data screen's on there. So there's the gears, and I'm just going to give it a spin and change. We'll go down to, oh, clumsy. 1, 2, 3, oh actually 4 that should go to, and there we are, 4 and 2, so it's quite handy. Pretty much do the same process with your Garmin head unit. Add the sensor, add the data field, then you can see it as you're riding. Dead easy, really useful, and also stops your battery running out. Alright, if you've done this, let me know. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Cheers, see you in the next one.